Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to perform using the board view for projects on Asana. This powerful tool can significantly enhance your project management experience. First up, log into your Asana account and navigate to the project you wish to view. Once there, look for the View button at the top of your screen. Click it and select Board View from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial because it enables you to visualize your project in a more organized, tangible way, making tasks seem less daunting. Now that we've done that, you'll see your project displayed as a series of vertical columns or boards. Each column represents a different phase or component of your project. The reason we do this is to break down larger projects into manageable parts, making it easier to track progress and identify bottlenecks. Next up, let's look at moving tasks around. Simply click and hold on a task, then drag and drop it into the appropriate column. This interactive feature is what makes Board View so user-friendly and dynamic. It allows you to visually track the progress of tasks and rearrange things as needed for optimal workflow. Now let me explain why task labels matter. Within each task, you can add labels to indicate priority, deadlines, or task owner. This helps us because it provides an at-a-glance summary of each task's details without having to click into it, saving you valuable time. Last but not least, let's talk about filters. Click on the Filter button to sort tasks by due date, assignee, or custom fields. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is using its smart algorithms to sort your tasks according to your chosen parameters, ensuring you have a fully customizable and efficient board view. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've mastered the board view for projects on Asana. By incorporating this tool into your project management routine, you can streamline your workflow and stay on top of tasks with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.